First, disassemble the top panel. This is a rack mounted. If your module is wall mounted, then you need to unplug the HMI on the top panel here. Now we move to next step. We disassemble the ZG board and also the control board. Unplug those wires. There's two screws on the side, so you need to remove it. Also, the left side have two screws. Remove it. Now we can remove the upper board. After remove the upper board, the next step we remove the relay board. Remove all these screws on the edge of the relay board. Next step, remove the connection between the terminal and the relay board. Okay, now you need to remove the terminal to take out the relay board. Okay, now take out the relay board. After remove the relay board, now we remove the connection bar between the power source board and the IGBT board. Please be advised, the power source board there's no need to remove the power source board, so leave it there. Just remove the 3 connection bar. Okay, now we need to remove the front panel and the back panel of this module. First, remove the fixing screws at the front. Also the fixing screw at the side. Also the screw on the bottom. Now you can take off the back panel. Now we move to next step, remove the front panel. First, remove the screw on the side. Screw on the front. Also the screw on the left side. Okay, now you can take out the front panel. Remember to unplug this wire. Okay, after take out the front panel, now we move to next step. We remove the IGBT board. Now first unplug those wire off fans. Now plug out all the screw on the edge. Those screws were for fixing the IGBT, and now we need to remove it. Now you can take out the IGBT board. And after remove the IGBT board, now we take out this insulating paper. And then we disassemble those screws. Remove the screw on the side. Also the other side. Now take out the bottom board in the module. And at the back you should see the inductive board. Now we remove the inductor board. After remove all those screws, you can take out the inductor board. Now turn the inductor board upside down. You can see many copper terminals. Now you need to remove all those copper terminals from the former board to the board we sent to you. Now we remove all those copper terminals. Those copper terminals were fixing by screws, so you need to remove all those screws. Now you can see this is how you remove all the copper terminals, and the rest of them is same. After you remove all those copper terminals, you install it in the board we sent to you. It is same. We just show you examples. After replace all the copper terminals, now we put the insulation paper back and install the inductor board. Now you plug in this insulation paper like this in the middle of it. Okay, now we turn it upside down. Now fix all the screws on the edge. Okay, now the inductor board is fixed. Now we put the bottom board back. The inductive board is facing the bottom. Watch out for those wires. Put the bottom board in position. You should see the holes are in position here. Now we fix it with screws. On the side, there's 3 of them on each side. Then we fix the conductor. After you fix the radiator, you need to wipe out all those thermal conductive grease on the radiator. All this blue area, you need to wipe it out. Now, after fix the bottom board, now we put back the isolation paper. Now, about how to replace the IGBT board, we got a separate video for it. You can follow that video. In this video, we no longer show it in details. Now we put back the relay board. We are taking the former board as example, but at your site you should use the new board we send to you. Now aiming all those holes together, then fix it. About changing the IGBT board, you should follow our separate video for how to switch the IGBT board. Here we just put it back. It's not for your reference. Also fix all the screw on the edge. After install the relay board, now we put back the connection bar between the power source board and the IGBT board. Now we put back the connection bar between the relay board and the IGBT board. At the bottom. Now plug in the fans connection wire. Okay, now we put back the front panel. Now fix the screw on the side. Also the screw on the front. Now before we put back the back panel, we need to plug in those insulation pieces in the relay board. Totally 3 of them. Now we put back the back panel. Set it in position and then fix the screws. Also at the side, left side and right side, and screw on the front. After we fix the back panel, now we connect the terminal and the relay board. Now fix this connection bar. Also the fixing screw on the front of this terminal on both sides, left and right. After that, we put back the upper board. Now get it in position. There's a hole at both sides. You should put them in the same line. Okay, fits the right side. Now left side. Okay, after fix the upper board, now we plug in all the wire that we disconnected. Remember, you can take a photo before you unplug it, just in case you forget where it was plugged. If you got 4-inch HMI, it should be here. Okay, now we put back the top panel. Fix all those holes on the top.